Swayam Prabha. Digital India. Educated India.
In this particular session, we will be talking about the challenges associated with the steps of the training processes. The first one is the assessment, that is determine the training needs. So, skill requirement alignment, the training needs for these remote work, preparing for these automation and AI, inclusive training needs assessment, adaptive training effectiveness monitoring, identify the training objectives, soft skills for the technological adaptation, aligning the training with the career and personal growth, training for the cross-functional synergy, multi-generational workforce management, and training for the cyber security awareness. So, here basically under the assessment we will try to identify, that is what are the different training objectives are there, and basis of their needs are there, and these needs are coming out from this performance appraisal. And here we are talking about for the how this remote work is concerned, or because nowadays we are talking about the lot of the automation and application of the AI, as a result of which there is a need for the employees on these AI is required. And this transition or transformation of this technology, and that will decide the objectives, and therefore aligning the training needs with the their career and personal growth and their skill development. This will help them to multi-generation workforce management, because in the traditional organizations or the large enterprises, the production system that has become very old, and slowly and slowly there has been the changes, but the total transformational change of the AI which has been seen recently. So, the soft skill of the technological adaptation is referred to the interpersonal and cognitive abilities that enable individuals to effectively manage and integrate the new technologies within their workplace. These skills are crucial for ensuring the smooth transitions and maximizing the benefits of technology in the business processes, and therefore, in that case they can maximize this particular benefit on the basis of the whatever their ability of the individual is concerned, and how he is able to manage that particular technology. In the critical thinking enables HR to evaluate complex issues. When we want to develop that soft skills for the technological adaptation, then it is the HR's responsibility to evaluate the complex issues and develop the innovative solutions with the new technologies. Change management involves the leading and facilitating effective transitions when the implementing the technological changes. And here, whenever we are talking about to bringing all these changes according to the need and the objectives of the organization, then definitely in that case that transition phase which is required to do by the organization, that will be facilitated and implemented in the technological changes. The effective communication and collaboration are crucial for the explaining and integrating the new tech in the teams, and therefore, in that here it is important that is the change agents, they are having the proper communication and collaborations which are the very important the change or the objectives which they want to achieve, then this will be the requirement. Continuous learning and adaptability of these are essential as technology evolves and requiring the ongoing the education and the flexibility. So, as a period of time we have seen that is a pre-COVID, COVID and the post-COVID also, and in this particular technological area, that is the people are learning and adopting this particular requirements of the technology depending on their businesses and their production process, and this will be also require the continuously the education which for the performance and the productivity of the employee and the flexibility of that particular employee's behavior, and also the flexibility in the production process. Here I would like to take an example as a case study for the soft skill development for the technology adaptation. Tech Global, a software development company, recognizes the importance of interpersonal skills even it is a highly technical environment, and therefore these interpersonal skills which will be required in the technical environment, the HR department develops the training objectives aimed at the enhancing communication, leadership and the teamwork. They introduce the Tech Talks, a series of workshops where the technical staff are encouraged to present the complex ideas in accessible language to non-tech employees are concerned. And therefore, an environment will be created where these employees will be able to work under this particular change environment where they are required to be highly skillful and develop the technology. These fostering mutual understanding and communication skills. In additionally, leadership in tech programs are offered to the potential team leaders, focusing on the soft skill crucial for the managing projects and leading diverse teams effectively in a tech centric workplace is concerned. So, this is the concern about this particular, from this particular case study we developed, that is how do our training objectives support the development of soft skills in a technology driven workplace is concerned. Now, the another dimension which is aligning the training with the career and personal growth. Aligning the training with the career and personal growth means designing and implementing the training programs that help employees develop skills relevant to their current roles and the future career aspirations. This alignment supports not only organizational goals, but also enhances employee satisfaction and retention. The training programs must align with the organization's strategic goals to drive the success, and HR should outline clear career path and support transitions with the targeted training. These collaboratively create the plans that identify skills, goals and timelines for employee growth. Foster a culture that encourages continuous learning through regular training updates and the resources. Here we would like to take a situation where the Aspire Marketing Solutions faces high turnover rates among mid-level employees. The HR team identifies a lack of clear career progression as a key issue. To address this, they set training objectives that include personal development plans and career mapping. They initiate growth tracks, personalized learning pathways that align with the individual career aspirations, and these aligning training with the career and personal growth will be making them the Aspire Academia, a series of seminars on the emerging marketing trends, leadership and personal branding, aiming to prepare employees for the upward mobility and fulfilling long-term careers within the company. This is the very good example in concern with the setting our training objectives. How do we account for the career progression and personal development of employees? In the training for cross-functional synergy involves developing the programs that enhance collaboration and understanding across different departments within an organization. This type of training aims to break down the silos and foster a the integrated approach to taking the business challenges and leading to increased efficiency and innovations. The cross-functional teams harness the diverse skills for more innovative problem solving and strategic insights. Training enhances key skills in communication and collaboration, emphasizing the conflict resolution and the team building. The leadership development is crucial in guiding the diverse team and managing the group dynamics. Regular feedback and the performance reviews help refine and maintain the effectiveness of the training program. The situation which we can take is like the Fusion Enterprise, a consumer goods company, struggle with the siloed departments with the hamper innovation. HR's training objectives now include breaking down these barriers. They introduce the collaboration boot camps where the employees from the different functions tackle mock business challenges together. Fusion projects, a quarterly initiative, allows cross-departmental teams to work on real-life projects outside their usual scope of work, enhancing understanding and collaboration across the organization. This is concerning with the what objectives do we have in the place to enhance cross-functional collaboration through training are concerned. Whenever we are talking about the multi-generational workforce management, then it begins with the understanding the different values, communication styles and work expectations of various age groups from the baby boomers to the generation Z. The training should emphasize the importance of recognizing these differences to cultivate a respectful and inclusive workplace. To develop this multi-generational workforce, customize communication strategies that blend traditional and digital method to engage all generational group effectively. Offer flexible policies and benefits tailored to meet the diverse needs of the different age groups, including the varied retirement plans and the working arrangements. These implement the mentoring and the reverse mentoring programs to encourage knowledge exchange and foster a culture of mutual learning among different generations. Equip leaders with skills in inclusivity, adaptability and conflict resolution to manage the multi-generational team effectively. Thus, here we can take the case study of the legacy bank as a diverse age demographic among its staff, leading to different workplace expectations and communication styles. HR sets training objectives to bridge these generational gaps. Generational intelligence workshops are created to educate employees on the values and communication preferences of the different age groups. These mentor-mentee mixers pair youngster employees with the experienced staff to facilitate mutual knowledge exchange, ensuring that the organization leverages the strength of its multi-generational workforce has been developed. Here it shows the concern with that how are our training objectives tailored to meet the challenges of managing the multi-generational workforce. The training and for the cyber security awareness educates employees about the variety of cyber threats and the critical role they play in protecting organizational assets. This training is essential as human error is often the weakest link in the security chain, making the informed employees one of the strongest defenses against the cyber attacks. Training for the cyber security awareness covers the essential topics including the phishing, malware, secure password practices and internet safety with an emphasis on the remote work security. Requires continuous updates and refresher courses to stay ahead of the evolving cyber threats and ensuring the ongoing employee vigilance is there. Employees simulated cyber attacks, the mock phishing emails to participate practically in a test and reinforce employee readiness against their real threats. Cultivates a proactive security culture with regular IT updates, security tips in the newsletters and incentives for the demonstrating safe behavior. Here we would like to take in case study of the Infosys Corporation, a data analyst firm. Infosys understands the critical nature of the data security in their operations. The HR teams of this Infosys Corporation training objectives include creating a culture of cyber security awareness. They roll out cyber sense initiatives, a mandatory training program for all employees focusing on the recognizing phishing. And these attempts are making the that also we will inquire about the proper data handling and the reporting the security breaches. Now, when advanced sessions for the IT personnel include simulations of the cyber attacks scenarios and privacy protocol workshops are also conducted. Emphasize the importance of adhering to data privacy laws and the regulations. Here it shows the concern. What objectives can we set to ensure our employees are equipped to handle cyber security threats and the data privacy concerns are there. Here these all aspects that will be deciding about, that is whenever we are talking about the training needs and identifying the training objectives, then this will be the matching with the practices adopted by the organizations. Thank you.